ઉપક્રમો વિશે માહિતી. સુનિલ ઈચ્છે છે કે તેનો દીકરો ભણતરથી સાથે સાથે બીજા ઉપક્રમોમાં પણ ભાગ લે. સ્કૂલના અન્ય ઉપક્રમો વિશે માહિતી લેવા માટે સુનિલ શિક્ષિકાને મળવા સ્કૂલ આવ્યા છે.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please sit down.
My son Vijay is studying in 5th standard of your school, ma'am.
Oh, what can I do for you?
I am here to consult you. My son Vijay is good in studies and he generally gets good marks. But I think he should participate in some extracurricular activities as well.
That's nice.
I would like to know about the extracurricular activities that are available in your school.
Well, we take care of our students. We have many facilities in the school. We have a library, a sports complex. We also have a science lab for hobby scientists. We take part in many inter-school competitions. Your son can join any one of them. First, we take personality test for student and then we decide better field for them.
Excellent. Then who would be the concerned person that I should meet?
You can meet our PT teacher.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
You're welcome.
શોપિંગ મોલ. શોપિંગ મોલમાં કંઈક શોધવામાં આ સ્ત્રીને થોડીક મુશ્કેલી છે. તેથી તે તેના કર્મચારીથી તેની કામની વસ્તુ ક્યાં મૂકી છે તથા તેની કિંમત કઈ રીતે ચૂકવવાની છે તેની માહિતી મેળવી રહી છે.
Excuse me, can you please tell me where I can find crystal glasses?
Sure, ma'am. The last area in this row is the glass section. You will find the crystal glasses over there. Otherwise, you can look in the fancy gift area.
Thank you very much.
Do you need any other help, ma'am?
Just one more thing. When are the payments to be made?
First, you select your product. Our salespeople are there to help you. Once you have selected your product, we will give you a small note. Take that small note and go to the cash counter. Once you made your payments, you will receive your items properly packed.
Can I make the payment by credit card?
Of course, ma'am. We have many payment options. For details, you will have to check with the cash counter.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.